This is YouTube video series, video number 4 on how to correctly smell the liquid. One of the keys in science is observation. Well, observation, one of the senses is smell. So the problem with smelling chemicals is sometimes they can be overly strong and they can actually hurt you if they're too pungent and things like that. Now, organic chemistry, especially with things called aromatics and esters, they smell a lot. Some of them smell like fruit, some of them smell and bitter, different things like that. So I'm going to demonstrate to you the proper technique for smelling something after a reaction has occurred. So what I have here is some metal and some hydrochloric acid, and we're going to see a reaction here. As soon as I pour some of this hydrochloric acid in here, now I'm going to keep it away from my face. I'm going to do the reaction right in the tube. I'm going to put a little bit more in here. I want to probably cover the zinc up to make sure the reaction occurs. And it's starting to bubble. Okay, it's starting to react. In a second here, I'm going to demonstrate. Now you probably can't see the little bit of gas coming up. Sometimes it'll produce gas. Sometimes you won't see anything, but it will be there. So the proper technique for smelling is you never want to, put your nose right next to it and inhale in. It can hurt you severely. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do what's called wafting. I'm going to hold this away from myself. I'm just going to simply brush the air towards myself. And this is going to cause the fumes to come towards me. It's not going to be as strong of an odor, but if they're asking you to observe something that has a smell, odds are it's going to have a pretty distinct and large smell, enough that you can do this and smell it. So I'm doing this and I'm getting a little bit of a smell here, a little bit of a strong acidy smell. Other than that, it's not really making a lot, but this is the proper technique. Now sometimes, especially, you might have to do this near a fume hood too, because they want to suck some of that out, but this is the proper technique, just wafting the air towards your face like this, right at your nose.